If you have young children who make a fuss when you strap them into their car seats, here is why you should not give in one image. Pennsylvania mom Jenna Casado Rabberman posted this picture on Facebook. It shows her kids' safety seats placed in front of her mangled Honda. Jenna was driving home from preschool with her toddler and his newborn brother when another car ran a light, slammed right into them. The boys were unharmed, and she wrote, "This is why you buckle your kids into their car seats correctly every single time, even when they scream, because the straps are tight." I mean, I couldn't relate more to this. I think so many parents can.
Not only you make sure they're in the seat correctly, but that the seat is installed in the car correctly.
And
that's incredible.
And that the straps are tight. You know, they do complain, but boy, does that tell you why you'd have to do it, right?
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.